Hi, I'm Alexander and today I'm talking to you about the Deluxe Hairline Topper. This is a heat-friendly topper with, yes, a deluxe hairline. So what is a deluxe hairline? Well, a deluxe hairline is a lace front. So it's an acrylic lace front that goes past the temples and has clips here. She also has clips here and then one at the back. So this has the most coverage of any topper that we've come out today. And of course, with it being heat friendly, if you have naturally curly hair, you can put a curl in it. If you have naturally straight hair, you can straighten it or match it to the texture which you are. Now, she is a topper, so I'm just going to hold the top while I turn her around to show you. So she's very long, face framing layers, length comes in at the back. Just take her off the head to show you. So extremely lightweight. Look at that, lightweight, looks fabulous. And this is really a fabulous, fabulous piece. So if you are looking for something new, a little bit of extra coverage with your topper and something where you can customize the texture, the Deluxe Hairline Topper might just be for you. Deluxe Hairline TP is a heat-friendly topper from the Orchid Collection. It boasts 5 clips, an extended lace front, full mono top, and a clip at either side of the base and the bottom of the base.